Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S42, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contact application, as you can see right over here. When you open it up, tap on the three bars right in the top left corner, go to the settings, and in the settings at the bottom you'll find import option. Select that you want to import contacts from your SIM card, confirm it, and there we go. We have all our contacts from the SIM card right here, selected by default. Now, if you see some contacts that are deselected and grayed out, those contacts already exist on your phone, and the phone itself is just trying to stop you from creating duplicate files, so don't worry about those. But the selected contacts, you can deselect some of them if you don't want to import those contacts, and from there, once everything that you want is selected, select import, and there we go. It gives us the amount of contacts that have been imported. And if we go back, you can see them right here now. So that is how you would import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.